guys, this is Ace Combat Infinity.
It's Scott, Colton, Clayton's here, and I finally found my phone. It took forever. My God.
And he wasn't here the last 2 episodes, I think.
Yeah, because I was
maybe even 3.
Because I was grounded for not checking in, for God's sake. For that time, it's stupid.
I mean, that's dumb.
Man, I hate when my brother's sister messes with my Xbox.
And your phone.
They keep messing with my Xbox. They're not allowed on my phone. They're not allowed on my Xbox. My mom says. It sucks.
Okay. Room search. Jacob.
It's gonna take a little while until it's 6:30.
So, yeah, this video is probably going to be 14 minutes and something seconds.
I don't know. Can we do a Minecraft video next?
I don't know. Okay, okay! Now we're getting on to the rescue. Rescue 3. I mean, number 3, rescue. I don't really give a crap. Start mission.
Sometimes we call this Plain Betsy.
No bait.
It's old Betsy, y'all.
Yeah.
Some videos, me and my friend.
I'm gonna mess around. I'm just gonna mess around and shoot people.
Clayton's gonna mess around.
Don't get your hopes up.
And Clayton's the one.
There probably won't be any missions getting finished in this video.
Yeah.
Yeah! Whoa, I like this jet. Who am I killing? You!
Come back here.
How do I do this again? I haven't played this in a while. Okay. This is how I go faster.
You will never kill
No,
us.
slow down.
Shut up. We know what we're doing.
Slow down! I'm stalling. Okay. How do I shoot?
Scott, move.
I think that's my
And
mini
when
gun.
it gets like really light, and you see your face. Like,
Uh,
I am beautiful.
Can you see my face?
oh, it's so
No.
great. Go faster!
We're about to disintegrate. We don't want to turn right. Shut up. Let's turn right when we want to.
Yeah, enemy destroyed.
Enemy destroyed your big butt.
Boom.
Oh yeah, second enemy destroyed.
Suck it.
That's a skill, Clayton. Your turn.
Hey!
Missiles away.
I'm empty? Really? Oh wait, no, I'm not. What do I press? Like square?
Oh no. Don't ask me.
Okay, where are you?
Focus being missile whoop. Oh?
Where are you? This page. Aha! Die! Yay. Aw, what was that?
What are we calling this video?
I don't know.
Oh no, we'll call it something.
Flying around at the speed of sound.
Around at the speed of sound.
Ah! Fuck, too low. Yeah. Ah, you need to speed up.
Speed up away!
Ah! Trees!
Look, fucking trees. I
You know
love
what?
trees!
I'm gonna go super high.
Oh yeah, Cammy.
Aha.
Me and Cammy was watching a video. Was watching the Minecraft video.
Uh-huh.
The video we made,
Uh-huh.
and Cammy said, "You need to stop shaking it around." Yeah, because you was recording the Minecraft video. the boys are back in town, Minecraft.
I didn't record that. Colton did. Remember, he had it in his lap.
Yeah, we really messed up on that one.
Yeah, Cammy said stop shaking it. Whoever was doing it.
We'll have to remake that.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm way too high. Whoa! Apparently I'm going down. Okay, let me slow down. Slow the fuck down. I slowed really down, but then I just stopped falling, and then I speed up. It sucks.
I wonder who watches our videos.
58 miles per hour right now.
I wonder who watches our videos.
I don't know.
If you do, I love you.
That's
Okay, I need to speed up.
Yeah.
I just want to hit the ground really fast.
Let's hit the ground so
Big boom,
fast.
big boom. You should
So
hear what
let's
the
do
guy
it
say.
around
He's just like,
success.
he's just
Let's
like,
hit
slow
the
down.
ground.
Oh, you're down!
Okay.
Okay. Super fast. I mean, seriously. Clip it down!
Sorry. We
Fire.
did something.
Okay, we'll actually try this. I want to run into a jet. I'm sorry. I'm gonna run into this jet.
Okay, we'll run into a jet in this video, maybe.
Helicopter!
Oh, no, we missed it.
I'll run into...
We want to
I'm
injure
going
ourselves.
down, I'm gonna take someone with me.
Your
I'm
mama.
just gonna run into him. Yeah, right straight into him and destroy them.
We're
What
gonna
are they,
sprint to that.
Oh! I missed!
We're in pain. Okay. Our plane's injured. We're
Okay.
injured.
Okay, I gotta run into a friend. I'm taking this guy with me. I can see the tiny little boat. Tiny little boat, you're down! Boom!
Oh yeah.
I took him. I think. Did I?
We're very injured. Very bad.
Very good, yes. That is the right. Did I? I didn't take him. This is it, guys. I'm taking him.
Oh!
I didn't take him!
Oh
Okay, I gotta retry that. Hey, Colin.
What?
What's the time on the video? Okay, retry.
no! 7, 3,
Okay,
8.
I'm gonna run into one of our own people.
It's 7, 4, 3. That's the
Okay,
time
that's
of the
fine. Whatever, I'll run into this guy on land. I think he's on land, okay.
I gotta
Turning,
run into
turning.
that boat.
Turning.
Turning.
Up, down, turn the right.
Up, down. Turn right.
What is this guy? I gotta see him. What is he? Gotta take someone with me.
Boom!
Ah! Did I get him?
I don't know.
Hopefully. I think that was him. Hopefully it was the house. Up,
Ah,
Ah, man. Hey, slow down, man.
dude, I think I need to take a poop.
Go fast.
0, 7,
Go a little bit
and
faster. Slow down.
8, 4,
Slow down, slow
what?
down,
What?
slow
I don't know.
down.
It keeps
Hey,
changing.
hey, slow down.
Slow down.
Okay, we're going down. Okay, helicopter. Helicopter. Ah, wow, whatever. I'll kill one of these guys. I'm gonna kill that guy on the top.
Okay.
No one gets it. He's mine.
This is my app.
I'll take this guy.
I got a 6-pack, yo.
Blah 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 blah.
Oh, yeah.
What is this guy? Like a tank?
I don't know.
I don't know what it is. Whatever. I'm taking it.
Oh, God. Oh, no. Bottle Boston this.
Whatever. I'll actually try this time.
Okay, we're gonna kill some people this time.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually try to do stuff.
We're gonna try to do stuff now.
oh God.
Oh God, Colton.
What happened?
It's screwing up. Tap it thing, screw it up. It was like fluent. It was like chewing.
Okay, that's it. I gotta do it. I'm sorry.
Oh, dang it! We made us lose our friends!
I suck even when I'm trying to kill you. Aha! Found you.
You're gonna hit him so hard that you're gonna knock out the sky. We're gonna be alive.
What? No.
Oh no! So
Stop it!
it froze.
It didn't freeze. I
That-
just paused it because it's stupid remote. Man.
I'm flying around.
Okay, never mind. It froze.
Hold on. Wait a second. It's not dead.
It didn't froze. It like
It's
paused. It's on pause.
I guess that's the end of the video.
Okay.
Bye.
Hold on. Okay. I just want you to take a good look at this stuff right here. It's bright, isn't it? It's fucking bright. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. I love you, Xbox. Stop!